Let's open IntelliJ. Okay. So yesterday what we did is small mistakes here. Let's correct them. So first step is you have to uh, concatenate S1 and S2 and assign that to S1 so that you will get a good morning. Okay. Now we want S2 value. S2 value means it has to come S1, right? S1 we should get. This is the S1. How you can get S1? 0. First you have to give S1 dot substring. From this, you have to start from 0, 0, and total length S1 dot length minus S2 dot length you have to. So that you will get till here only. Till 4 you will get. So 0 to 4 means you will get a good. Good will be in the S2. Now, so you need to extract the morning, right? So for that, what you need to do, you have to get, so this S2 dot length, if you do, now S2 is a good. So 4 onwards, it will fetch. So that's a morning you will get into S1. So this is the one way, okay. The other way you can try it out using a third variable. So swap two strings using a third variable. That's another exercise for you guys. Okay. Can you do that?
Yes, Ramesh.
This is without, so third variable we swapped, given two strings. Same thing you do with the third variable. Swap these two strings. So that is the exercise for you. Now, so let's run this program. So you will swap strings, Java, Ruby. So Ruby should go to Java, Java should go to Ruby. So that's the, so it should exchange the values and run this. Say before swapping S1 Java, S2 Ruby. After swapping S1 Ruby, S2 Java. So that's how we can develop this logic. And there is one more program. So this is the interview program. So many times asked this question. Maybe if you are going to attend here, this program will help you. There is one LPL company, LPL Financial, with Altimetric. They used to give this program. So write a Java program to take input. So input string. So S equal to as like this. A1, B2, C4, T2. So this is the output. That's how they have given. And then you need to print the output. Then print the output. So here how many, so ones are there, that many A's, and then you have to give a space, okay? So within double quotes, A, 1A. So 1A hyphen, then B2, right? So B2 means BB. Sorry, BB. And then, so next what we have? C4. C. So C4. Then T2. So you can put T2. So this is the, so how you need to, so the vice versa they're asking, okay? Vice versa they're asking. So anything is, so just find out the approaches. Maybe they can give like this and they will ask output like this. So it can be any way they will ask. So we need to write a program for this. How can you? So no, expand this string, right? This is expansion, right? So how can we expand that? So let's see. Public, static, void. So expand strings. So and you will give the input, okay? String, yes. So you give the input. I can just put yes on it. Yes is my argument, my parameter. Now you can just print. So system dot out dot println string value is yes. Now, so you got the input value. Now just use a string builder class. Create object for a string builder class. Create object for string builder class. So yesterday we discussed about this string builder class already. String builder. Output equal to new string builder. Okay, so that's the first step you need to do. Then iterate this string. Okay, iterate the string. Next step, iterate the string using for loop. So index based for loop we use it. So for so int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so that's how step. Then you need to get each character. So this each character you fetch. Okay, so fetch that each character. So char c equal to s dot character of so I, you pass the I, so that you will get each character from the string. Now you need to check this character is a so digit or not. Right here you have a digit, right? So if this is a digit, then we have to convert this into number. So let's see how to do that. And if condition you have to check that. So there is a character class dot e is digit. See, there are e is alphabetic, e is defined, e is digit. So there is a character. Give the character. That's it. So if it is a digit, if that character is a digit, so get the number of times you want to repeat that previous character, right? Right like that. So if the character is a digit, so then get the number of times to repeat the previous character. So you need to get that. So that we have a method, get a numeric value for this character. So which returns a integer. So get count equal to character class dot get so numeric value. See there is a numeric value method is there. So then pass that character. So a digit character you pass it. Then it will return the same with the same number. It will return a so integer primitive format. Okay. So that is a one. Then so now that many times, right? This many times we have to iterate. We have to iterate again. Take another for loop here. Take another for loop int j. Okay, so declare here int j and for loop for so j equal to 0 or 1, you start with 1 and semicolon, j less than count. So that many times you need to repeat. So j plus plus. And I'm going to append same character. So for this output variable, so you call the append method. So as we discussed, append method is going to append the, so that many times same s dot caret of I minus 1 s dot. So previous one only we need to add, right? Caret of I minus 1. That's it. So this is the how you're appending. So the previous character, this many count times. So this is the how you can append. And then after this for loop, okay, this for loop, we have to append that, right? Output dot append the this. We need to append this one, right? This hyphen. So I'm going to append that hyphen also. Okay, so that's all about entire. Now this is the string builder. You have to convert into string. So let's convert this into string. So how can we convert this into string? So there is a if condition is here. So one more this is the if condition. So you have to write a else part also here. Else. So if not a digit, for example, character is not a digit, just append it to the output. So for example, if the character is not a digit, just append it to the output. Output dot append the character. Okay, so that is the one. And then you so convert this into string and then print it, right? You can print that value. So you convert the string first, okay? You convert the string. So you convert the string str equal to, so output the string builder object dot, so toString. Convert that into toString. So now if you want to repeat that, you can just repeat those characters one by one. So I will just print this output directly. So let's print this and we'll see. So if it is not coming, we will try again another approach. Converted string is str. Expand string. So I'll give this output. Input. Basically, this is the input. I want to give this input. If not, we will revisit this. Okay. So just I want to see that whether it is printing properly or not. See, we are getting this, but I'm getting this extra one, right? So I need to remove this extra one. So how can we remove that? This is the only pending, remaining all correct, right? So A one time, that's why one time. B2 twice. C4 4 times. So like this, you don't need to hard code. We didn't hard code anywhere. You see that? We're getting the count, that count, we're iterating and adding that character, appending that character to output. then I converted. Now I need to remove this one. To remove that, so I will convert this string into a character array. So let me do that. So convert string into character array. Okay, using toChar array method. So all these methods you have to be strong, otherwise it's very difficult to survive without these methods. So character array. So ch equal to str dot toChar array. Okay. Now iterate that. Iterate and get that last one, that hyphen, and so we can remove that. Okay. So from last character you can just get that. So int k equal to str dot length -1 and k greater than or equal to 0, k minus minus. I'm starting with the last one. So from here I'm starting. So that's why that I have written. Then here also character c equal to str dot caret of I. So I got that k, right? It's a k, not I. So if the character is equal to hyphen, okay, if it is hyphen, so then what you can do, and assign that value to empty. Just make it empty, okay? Then break it. So now I'll convert that into, after this, here, I'll print this, okay? I'll print this. Print the string value. String dot out dot println. That is string, final converted string. Final converted string is, how can you convert a string so that into, so all the character array, how can you convert? String dot value of character array, ch is the character array, dot trim method. So this is how any spaces are there, I'm removing all. Now you run this, there are some errors. What is that error? Line number 148. Where is that? Line number 140. What is it? Empty character let go. Okay. So let's run this. See, now you got properly, right? This is the final one. How we need to do that. So this is the one example. So regularly they're asking in the interviews. So make sure you are good with that. Any questions?
The string may be changed and they can ask to print either numbers or
Yeah,
characters in the number of positional,
right,
right? Okay.
right. So I'll if you are not able to solve this one, vice versa one. For example, if they give this one and you have to print this. If you're not able to solve this, and let me know, I'll explain in the collections, that one. Okay.
Okay, Ramesh.
Yeah. So that you can do with collections easily, but try it out. Okay. Okay. So I want to give some more examples. Maybe you can try. See what other programs is a very important. In the interview point of view, they'll ask a lot of questions on the strings only. String programs they will give widely. So we need to crack them. Okay. So there is a one more program. Let me explain this also. Then we can end the programs here. The last program. So what we need to do, you have to extract the maximum number in a given string. So what is that? Write a program. Write a program to extract the maximum number in given string. So this is so like this they will ask programs, okay? Let me give you the string first, understand with examples so that then we can dig into the code, okay? Suppose you have 100 K, L, H, 564, and you can give any random numbers. I'm just giving randomly. 2, 3, 3. Like this you have. So can you tell me, what is the longest and maximum number in this string? What is the output?
6.
No, the big number, maximum number. That means it's not only
100.
one digit, the sequence, okay,
564.
the complete number set, okay, not one. So complete, see here it is number, right? 100.
564.
Then 564, then 365. So out of these three numbers, 564 is the maximum. That we need to get it. How can you get that? 564. So that's the program. Let's do again same kind of. So private static void extract. So max number in given string. So I'm just giving a bigger name for it's up to you. If you want to shortcut the method name, you can do that. Not a problem. Okay. So if you want to return this method, you can return. I want to return integer, right? Just return the integer. Okay, so let's declare two variables. Declare two variables. One is a number. So int num equal to 0, comma, and receiving amount, receiving value if you want, that is also 0 I declare. Then iterate the string. Okay, iterate the string, this string using for loop. Iterate the string s using for loop. For so int I equal to 0 and I less than s dot length and I plus plus. See this same logic, how many programs we used. So the logic will be whenever you want to iterate from first to last character, it will be always starts with a 0 and no the string dot length. And then you have, so increment the I value every time. Now we need to extract, right? Each character you need to extract. So what you need to do is, so if you get a numeric number, right? If you get a numeric value, start converting it into a integer till there are consecutive numbers are there. Get all the numeric digits and convert this into integer number. So how can we do that? Again, we are going to take help from character class. Just now we have done the character class. We are going to use the same character class. So, and that will tell you is whether it is a digit or not. If that character is a digit, I'm going to multiply that number with a 10 and then that character you reduce with a 0. So the 0 character, so that you will get a complete number. So let's see how to write that. If character class dot is digit, for each digit we need to give as an input character, right? How can you get a character? Caret of I. If that caret of I is a number, if that is a number, okay. So what we need to do? So you get the extract the number. So num multiply by 10. So first multiply that to so into a 10 and then s dot caret of I. So just reduce that, okay, reduce that, subtract that from the 0 character. So from a 0 character, now you will get a complete number. Okay. So once you get that, okay, once you get that, so you update the max value. So update the max value now. Oh. So this is, so you get the resetting value, math.max, res, comma, number, right? That's a number. So we don't have max variable, num variable we have. Then you reset the number. Okay, then you reset the number here itself. So to get the next one, okay, that's why I'm resetting the number to, so 0. So num equal to 0 because I need to get a next sequence, right? That's why I'm just setting it to 0. Once that is done, okay, so return and math.max. See, I know you all aware of math.max, right? So anybody having doubt on this? Right, is it's outside I declared, right? Cannot resolve, rename reference. It's fine. Here only. This reference here, okay. That's correct, right? Num is outside. Why it's not able to access? $2, right? Okay, for this. And this one is a for loop. And this one is a method. No issues. Oh, I put a instead of a comma. See that? That's a small mistake. Dot I kept it. Okay. Yeah. So now call this extract string value, whatever I have given here, I will give this as this. But this will return the value. So int val equal to max val. I can give max val. So this one system dot out dot println extracted value from string. That string, okay, that's not there. Okay. So that's the one bigger program. See 564 you got. You change anything, okay? So you will get it. Play around with this and try the program. So first what we are doing, we are iterating and extracting and checking. If the character is a digit that we are checking, if that is a numeric character, what I'm doing, and that character I'm reducing from the 0 to get the number. Then I'm multiplying with 10 to get the pure number. Is the logic to extract into a number. So remember, you need to remember these logics. This logics is important. Okay. Yeah. So then the remaining, these are just comparing max. So we in these two, which one is a maximum number that I am storing here. Then setting so this number to 0 to get the next set. So that's all about this string programs. Okay, so let's join back and we'll quickly discuss on collections.